Hi, welcome to our introduction video of Compass Navigator Pro. Compass Navigator Pro is an UI component commonly used in adventure, RPG, and world exploration games to show destinations and points of interest as well as text indications. This asset is ideal to allow game developers to make it easy for users to reach a certain point on the map and have indicators with the multiple items and places to visit along the open world. Compass Navigator Pro works for both built-in and universal rendering pipeline. When you finish importing the asset, in the Project Manager tab, you get a new folder called Compass Navigator Pro, which includes a demo folder with a demo to easily understand what you can achieve with the asset, a documentation folder with helpful walkthrough of the main settings and configuration, and the rest of necessary resources of the asset. Adding Compass Navigator Pro features to your project is very simple. You just have to go in the Unity main menu, select Game Object, UI, and finally Compass Navigator Pro. Once you finish doing this step, in the Hierarchy tab you will see a new game object with the same name created. And if you select it, you can start editing its settings to match your desired results. There are 6 different categories which you can edit. The first one is related to the compass bar settings, where you have to select your main camera as first step. Now you can select the style of the bar, and you have several to choose from, or you can add one designed by yourself. You can also set position, bend amount, fade appearance on the edges of the bar, and set the alpha value. Furthermore, you can enable or disable cardinal points, ordinal points, and adjust other settings related to the bar appearance and behavior. The second category gives you the option to set how the points of interest will appear, and you can define values like minimum and maximum visible distance, near distance, icon size, and also set different sounds when player reaches or achieves an objective in particular. The following 2 sections of the asset will allow you to change values regarding text and title appearance by selecting font, adjusting size of the text, and other settings that will define how the text appearance will be displayed. Finally, we reach the point where we can edit our minimap settings, where we have to select our main camera to follow, its projection type, and the layers of the scene that will appear on the minimap. For example, if you have certain objects in the scene that you want them to be omitted by the minimap, you will have to choose a different layer mask than the one selected in this section settings. You can also choose whether to render shadows, change the style of the map by choosing from our presets or adding a custom one, choose the location on the screen where the minimap should be placed, and change settings related to its size and resolution. And finally, define brightness, contrast, and icon size, among other options. If you are creating a map reveal based game, you can also go through the fog of war option and set the fog option to achieve this effect on the map, where the player will keep revealing places by walking through the world, ideal for RPG and strategy games. Let's consider you would like to add an object in particular to appear on the minimap and bar indicator. You just have to select the desired object and in the inspector panel, add the script compass point of interest. After adding the script, you can start defining settings regarding visibility and distance value, title and text, custom icons, custom audio effect when triggered, and several other options related to this particular object behavior. I will show you how simple it will be to create a custom minimap design. Open your image editor software, in my case it's Photoshop, create the minimap border or open an already created one, adjust its size to fit a square shape, and create the white mask texture to render the image of the minimap. Now, you just have to go into the Compass Navigator Pro settings and select the custom created minimap textures. Just remember to save both of them as PNG file and set alpha transparency on the border texture and set the max texture as sprite. If you have any doubt regarding this video, don't hesitate to contact us. We also invite you to follow our official YouTube channel, where you will find all the necessary information about our assets. Thank you for watching this video.